Not every day you see an entirely new watch collection from Audemars Piguet. Last year, the company revealed the Code 1159 by Audemars Piguet. This new collection comes in 13 new references that debut an all-new design language from one of the most prestigious watchmakers in the business. Let's take a deeper dive into the chronograph model. After spending the past 7 years developing the watch, Audemars Piguet has officially launched its latest timepiece collection to replace the discontinued Jules Audemars line. The new line marks a departure from the Royal Oak and reflects AP's desire to create something genuinely new in the 21st century. Maybe we are asking, why 1159? Code 1159 takes its name from the minute before midnight, an allusion to the anticipation of a new day and by extension an embrace of the future. This design of the Code 1159 features a 41mm 18-karat white gold case with an octagonal middle case that is sandwiched by round shapes for the bezel and case back. The other defining aesthetic feature of the Code 1159 case is the new open design lugs, the upper segments of which are welded to the round bezel, while the lower segments lean into the case back. The sapphire crystals over the dial are also unique, featuring a new double-curved optical design that will enhance the dial's details. The self-winding chronograph features a lacquered black dial and 3 registered 12-hour counter at 3 o'clock, 30-minute counter at 9 o'clock, running seconds at 6 o'clock, and a 4:30 date window. The Sapphire Exhibition case back reveals a fully in-house made chronograph movement caliber 4401, equipped with a flyback function and an instantaneously jumping date mechanism and boasting the same 28800 VPH frequency and 70-hour power reserve. This Code 1159 by Audemars Piguet will sit comfortably in your wrist with hand-stitched alligator straps and 18-karat white gold pin buckle. Besides the chronograph model, you will also find a 3-hand model, a perpetual calendar, a minute repeater, a flying tourbillon, and an open-work tourbillon. With an estimated retail price of 650 million rupiah, this fully in-house made chronograph watch is the one AP fans have been waiting for. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Or if you are interested with this timepiece, you can inquire it through our Instagram at the timeplace. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.